Remove your whiteboard from the packaging and unroll. Your whiteboard comes with a cloth, pen, and 2 holders. Flip your whiteboard and roll it back in the opposite direction to straighten. Unroll it again and peel the backing sheet by about 4 inches and fold over. Mark out on the wall where you would like your board to go, and align the board with the marks you made. Press onto the wall and run the cloth along to remove air bubbles. Wipe the board down with a cloth as you peel the rest of the backing away. To remove any air bubbles, peel the surface away and wipe from the centre outwards. Attach the cloth and pen holders to the board in their designated areas.